Guys, I'm such a bad friend. I forgot to buy Christmas presents for all of my coworkers, and I have to redeem myself. So, I'm gonna make some custom slimes for each and every one of them. Andrea really likes all things fuzzy. She has like 3 cats and a dog, so I'm thinking cloud dough is the perfect texture. It's also, I think, one of the first textures she ever created, so this will work. For the color, let's go grab some lavender. Violet will work. Also, distress dough is one of our OG slimes, so I'm gonna go for that same color. For the charms, I wanna kind of recreate all of her pets. I'm gonna give that a nice little mix. One thing I am thinking about is, I don't know if Andrea is gonna show up today, and I really wanna give her this slime. Actually, you know what? Let me give her a call. Let's see if she's coming in. You know what? I'm feeling kind of anxious. I don't want to call her, so I'm just gonna send her a text. It is a Friday, and she's usually here on Fridays, so I'm hoping for the best. It's already mixed up, so let's take a trip to Charmville and get the perfect charms for her. One really magical cat. I love like the little moon on its forehead. Oh, this one's so cute. So it says that this is a tiger. This will do. After some time, I finally found the perfect charms. This is actually one of the first things that Andrea taught me how to do here at Peachybbies, is make it look like a little ice cream cone. So I'm just gonna grab my slime, scoop it up just like that. That looks so cute. Let's add some little sprinkles. I got some hearts because Andrea's super sweet. These hearts really represent her personality. All right, we're gonna add Nova, Zeke, Nebula, and Celeste. I always make you guys custom labels, so I kind of want to do the same for my coworkers, but this time I want to draw it just to change things up. I don't know what to add to this label. Maybe her name would be cool and just like decorate it a little bit. So we're gonna go for a darker purple. I'm just gonna write her name. Maybe add some like little flowers or something. She really likes bringing us like little gifts and treats, so let's draw a little candy bar. For Christmas, she actually invited us over and made us some really cool snacks, and we made gingerbread cookies and we decorated them, and it was so much fun. She's like the best host. This is the least I could do for her. All right, let's add our label. This looks so cute. I hope she really likes it. Let me check my phone and see if she's replied. She's ghosting me. Guys, let's hope that she comes in. I really want to give this to her. Let's move on to the next one, which is Christian. One thing we know about Christian is that he makes the best bubbles. Like, no one can top his bubbles here at Peachybbies. I'm going for a thick and glossy because this base makes the best bubbles. Also, for the colors, I kind of want to go for like a crazy color scheme because he has a great sense of style. So let's grab like 3 different colors. Christian is such a positive and vibrant dude, so let's go for all of our brightest colors. Yeah, I feel like these are his colors. He has the best style. I mean, he even has his own rack of clothes. Look at it. I wish I had my own rack of clothes. What the heck? And oh my God, wait, guys, check this out. What?
You got a Michael sweatshirt.
Wait, I want to wear it. Michael was honestly listening to me because I was complaining about how I wish I had Christian style, and look, I got a fresh new fit. I kind of feel bad. I should have made him a slime. I didn't get him anything for Christmas. Where is Michael? I know he's watching. Back to the slime. This side is gonna be nice, bright orange. I kind of want to create like a dripping paint effect. So I'm gonna dye each slime and then kind of like mix it together and create some really nice looking patterns. Michael. I found Michael. Wait, we need to bring him over here. Michael, what do you think of your new sweatshirt? Your face is on it. I don't know if Michael's happy with that. Let's put him by the mixer. I think this sweatshirt will grow on him. Okay, we got our pink. Let's do the blue. All right, this looks amazing. You know what these colors are reminding me of? Kind of like a tropical sorbet. For the pattern here, let's add all the colors, kind of like little pancakes. And I'm gonna try to do like a nice swirl effect. That looks pretty cool. It looks super wavy and it matches his vibe. I mean, he's like the chillest guy. Whoa, this looks awesome. I love this little area right here. Now we need some special charms for Christian. Let's go to Charmville. I think that these smiley rainbow flowers captures his vibe. I'm thinking like if he was an animal, what animal would he be? I found a really good charm that I think matches Christian's vibe. Let's see what Aaron thinks. Aaron, do you think this charm reminds you of Christian?
Dude, why does it look exactly like him? Oh my gosh, I've never seen this charm before.
I literally found it in the corner.
It was made for him. You have to put it on your Christian.
Let's go for this one. All right, let's add our happy little charms and our little Sully guy. He literally looks just like Sully, right in the center. Let's make our Christian label. One thing we know about Christian is he always has a fresh new pair of shoes. I'm gonna make some fresh kicks here in the corner. And I'm gonna add a t-shirt because he always has really cool looking shirts. Let's add that to our slime. I'm so excited to give him this slime. He's always so happy and such a jolly guy. Hey Christian,
Yo.
I made you a slime.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
That's awesome. Ooh, I like the vibes. I do like that it's a thick and glossy.
Also, I've never seen that charm before. It's like a brand new charm I
I've
found.
never seen this one either. That's really cool.
He looks like a really fun guy.
Yeah.
Just like you.
Yeah. It looks friendly. This looks pretty dang good. It's a little sticky, but it's okay. I would rate it a solid 8.8 out of 10. Yeah.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Also, cool shirt.
Thank you.
I told you guys, he always has the coolest shirts.
Oh yeah.
Well, enjoy your slime.
Thank you, Anna. Appreciate it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Crisis.
All right, what do we know about Dan? He's a streamer. He loves video games. I mean, Dan is right there. What's like your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow, actually.
Yellow. I was not expecting that.
Like a nice gold.
Okay.
And then I like sports like soccer and hockey and volleyball.
I think I have a good idea. Are you more of like a golden vibe or like a bitter lemon vibe?
Definitely more of a gold vibe.
All right. I already stained my Michael sweatshirt. That's what it's like when you work at a slime factory. All of your clothes get slimy. Man, Michael's gonna be so disappointed.
Arruinaste mi camisa, no lo puedo creer.
I kind of feel weird because Dan is literally right there watching.
I'm
me
watching
make
my
slime.
Christmas present be made.
That's all right. He's watching a process. I'm trying to redeem myself here, okay? Also, I went for a Bingzu because I don't really know what texture he likes. I mean, like, I never see him play with slime.
I like Bingzu.
You like Bingzu? Okay.
I used to
Okay,
play
good.
with slime all the time when I used to film Christian's TikToks, so I know a thing or two about the textures.
What do you think of this color?
Love it.
All right, let's go get some soccer balls. I'm pretty sure that Dan is like in a soccer league. Here we have the perfect little soccer ball charms. We need like some game controllers. I think he's the top gamer for his specific game that he always streams. Okay, I found the controllers. We got pink and purple. Let's do one of each. Oh, also, I always see that he's like constantly sipping on water, so that explains itself. While I was in Charmville, I realized Andrea has not responded yet. I'm starting to get worried. I feel like she won't show up. This is our very own Golden Dan boy slime. When's your next soccer game?
This weekend on Sunday.
Yo, everybody comment, good luck, Dan. Good luck. All right, that's enough soccer balls. Let's add his 2 controllers right here. Also, what's that video game you play? The one that you're like famous for?
Pogo stuck.
Pogo stuck. Okay, his water, because he gotta stay hydrated. Let's make our label. For his label, I'm gonna make it all caps, just like that. Dan, what makes you happy?
Dogs and animals, sports video games.
Sports video games?
Parties.
Parties? Oh yeah, no, one thing about Dan, he's always telling us that he's going to some famous person's party, and so I'm gonna do like some little balloons to represent how much of a party animal he is. Dan was totally not watching this whole thing, and it's gonna be a beautiful surprise. Just watch. Dan, get in here.
What's up? What's up, Peachybbies?
I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? Oh, like I wasn't watching the whole time.
I made you a slime.
Thank you for my Christmas present. I actually really like it. The color is so bright. This is exactly like what my favorite color is. Like you actually nailed it. Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, let's move on to Jesse's slime. Next up, we have Jesse. Now, you guys may not know Jesse because he's always behind the camera, but he's a really cool dude. One thing we have in common is that we love dinos. He also loves skating, and he's just such a fun guy. For his slime, I'm gonna go for like a dino theme, so let's get some green dye. He loves trees, so green is his color. The thing is, Jesse isn't here. He's on vacation. We're gonna have to FaceTime him to get his reaction, which I think will be super fun. And also, he's never been on camera, so this will be the first time you guys see him. And what better way to show off who Jesse is than with a dino slime? You know what? To make things a little more fun, I'm gonna make one side kind of like a darker green. All right, we got some nice colors here. Let's go to Charmville and get some dino charms. I think this dino is kind of cool. Jesse really loves coffee, so this kind of looks like him. He loves like trees and nature. So let's find like a really nice tree charm. We do have a Christmas tree. I think this matches the vibe we're going for. Wait, this is actually really cool. I found some like realistic looking leaves. Oh, you know what? He kind of like reminds me of an alien. He's just such a unique person. So I'm gonna add some little alien sprinkles in there too. I think so far I'm nailing these slimes. All of the slimes I've made really match the person that I'm making it for. We're doing a pretty good job. I'm going for like a 2-part slime, and I kind of want to make it look like a tree. So I'm gonna make it super puffy on top. That literally looks like a tree. I love it. All right, let's add our little leaves, some aliens, because he's an interesting dude. And finally, our little dinosaur and our tree. There we go. For the label, I kind of want to change up the color scheme a little bit because we have a lot of green going on. I think his favorite color is blue. So I'm gonna write his name in blue. Add some roller skates because he really loves roller skating. That looks awesome. I can't wait for him to see it. Let's FaceTime him and get his reaction. Hey Jesse, I made you a slime.
Wow.
It's like a dinosaur forest themed slime because I know you love trees and you have a matching dinosaur hat.
That's awesome.
You like it?
That's so cool. Yeah, that's great. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Merry Christmas. It's your Christmas gift.
Thanks. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
All right, bye.
He loved it. This slime is gonna be waiting for him for when he comes back. But now I'm just wondering if Andrea has even responded because I'm getting so nervous. She needs to see her slime. She hasn't responded. I'm gonna send her another text and hopefully she responds by the time we're done with Aaron's slime. Let's hope for the best, but now we have to make Aaron's slime. Finally, we're gonna be doing Aaron's slime. I saved the best for last. I have to say, we love Erin. So for her slime, I'm gonna be making a water slime because we all know her history with water slimes. She's tried so many times to make a proper water slime. And honestly, I didn't make this slime, okay? A slime chef made this slime, but it looks like a super nice water slime, so I think it's gonna make her happy. I think for like the color, I wanna do, I feel like such a bad friend. What is her favorite color? Since it is a water slime, I'm gonna dye it blue. Scratch that, I'm making it pink because blue is not her favorite color. I already know that. Let's do a watercolor. Erin has a very special place in my heart. We have been besties for about a year now. We started working on the same day. We live in the same apartment complex. We used to drive the same car, and we have the same job. So I think I know her pretty well. We have our nice jiggly water slime. Now let's go get our charms. I know Erin loves Winnie the Pooh. I'm gonna include like a little honey pot. Also, she has amazing hair and she's super good at styling it. So I feel like this pink bow will be really nice. Oh, and you know what? We both have a huge love for Michael. I mean, we like created Michael together. So I'm gonna grab an axolotl. I found our little Michael. And also, I'm gonna throw a little star in there because she's a star. She's so cool. Let's go add these charms to our slime. All right, let's add her little honey pot. I think she's really gonna like that because of her love for Winnie the Pooh. We have baby Michael. I'm adding the star because she is the queen, and a bow because of her great hair. Let's make a really nice label. Also, I'm gonna add a worm. Erin and I always send each other creature memes, so I think she'll get this one. All right, so for the label, I'm gonna go for like a really bright blue, and I'm gonna do like a little heart with this smiley face on it. And I'm gonna give it bangs because she has really nice bangs. This heart looks so silly. Look at its little bangs. Okay, let's get her reaction. And she brought Michael. Michael! Okay, Erin, I made you a slime. It has all of your favorite things. It even has a worm.
A worm! I love creature memes.
I know.
Is this a water slime?
It's a water slime, yeah. To represent your love for water slimes.
Anna, you know me so well.
I included a honey pot.
For Pooh Bear. I like Pooh Bear.
A star, because you're my brightest star.
It's the sweetest thing anybody's ever said to me. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Anna. I'm gonna frame it and put it on top of my fridge.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. This is the most me slime I've ever seen, and I can't believe
it has a good
it's a really
texture,
good
right?
water slime.
Pretty good.
You guys want us to sell this at peachybbies.com.
Go to peachybbies.com. We have a ton of new slimes, just like this one and many others. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m., so make sure to go grab a slime while they last.
While they last.
Michael's telling you, go grab a slime while they last.
Born a worm, built a cocoon, go to sleep. Wake up a butterfly.
Well, I'm glad you like your slime, and go play with it. last thing that I need to do, and that is contact.
Still going?
Just keep going.
Wait.
All right, there's one last thing that I need to do, and that is contact Andrea to see if she's actually gonna show up. Oh, she responded. She's not coming in today. You know what? If we can get this video to 5,000 likes, I'll make a TikTok and get her reaction. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.